Hello, welcome you all again in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will create a beautiful dice in Fusion 360 in this tutorial. So let's come on the Fusion 360 workspace. To create a dice, first we have to create a cube. So here I am selecting create a sketch, then select a plane. Here I am selecting this bottom plane. Then I am creating here a square, that is a cross section of cube. So by selecting rectangle, here I place first point. Then I simply enter the width of the square, that is 50 mm, then press tab, then 50 mm again, and it will create a square of 50 by 50 mm. Then I finish the sketch. After finishing the sketch, I select extrude command from here. It automatically select the profile of a square. Then I enter the thickness of cube, that is 50 mm, and it will create a 50 by 50 by 50 mm cube. After creating a cube, I zoom out from the screen. As you can see, all these are the sharp edges. So now I give some fillet to reduce the sharp edges. Here I am selecting all these edges to give them some round shape. And select fillet. Here I will give 5 mm fillet to all the edges. As you can see, it will create a cube, a nice cube with round shaped edges. Now I select this face. Then again go to create a sketch. Now I zoom in the screen. Now I select the line and create two lines. These two lines are the constructions line. So here I am creating constructions line like this. Then I draw 6 circles here. The diameter of the circle is 8 mm. After creating 3 circles, here I select all these 3 circles, then select mirror. I already select the object. Now I am selecting the mirror line. This one is our mirror line and it will create all the 6 circles on the one face of the dice. Now I finish the sketch. Now I am selecting this face and I will create a circle on this face by using create sketch. Here I am creating a 8 mm circle. After creating 8 mm circle, I again finish the sketch. Now I am selecting this face, go to create a sketch. Again I draw two lines. Both are construction lines. So here I am selecting like this. Make them a construction line. Then I am creating 4 circle of 8 mm. Again I select the mirror. Here I am selecting the object. First one, second one. Then I am selecting here the mirror line. That is this one. And it will create 4 circles. Now again I finish the sketch. Now I will select the opposite face of this one. So select the opposite face. Now I am selecting this face and select the create sketch. Now I will create 3 circles on this face. So here I am selecting line, which is a construction line. Then press escape. Now here I am drawing 3 circles of 8 mm. First one, second one, third. As you can see, all the 3 circles has been created. Now again I finish the sketch. Now I am selecting this face. Again go to create a sketch. Again I am selecting line. Those are construction lines. After drawing the construction line, here I am selecting the circle command. On this face, I will create 5 circle of 8 mm. Now I am selecting these 2 circles. Then select mirror command. Here I already selected 2 objects to mirror, and now I am selecting the mirror line. This one, and it will create 4 circles. Now I am creating 5th one of 8 mm, and it will create 5 circles on this face. Now I again finish the sketch. Now I will select the opposite face of this face. Then again create a sketch. Here I will draw 2 circles on this face. Similarly, I will select the line, that is construction line. Then I will select, then I am selecting here circle command and draw a circle of 8 mm. Now I am drawing the second circle of 8 mm dia. Now I have created all the circles on all the faces. Now I finish the sketch. Now I select the extrude. As I select the extrude, it will ask to us which profile you want to extrude. So here I am selecting this circle and this circle, and I extrude it up to 2 mm. Now I rotate this cube, and again I select extrude command. Here I again select the profiles to be extrude. First one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Extrude up to 2 mm. Now again I select extrude. First one, second one, third one, fourth one to 2 mm. Like this, I will extrude all the circles. Up to 2 mm. As you can see, it will create a nice, beautiful dice. Now, if you want to give appearance of plastic or whatever glass, then go to modify and select appearance from here. As you select the appearance from the modify command, the appearance window will appear in front of you. As you can see here, you have two options, bodies and faces, where you want to apply the appearance. So I want to apply the appearance on the bodies. So here I'm selecting this body. Then this type of appearance you want to apply on the body. From here you can select. Here you have lots of options like fabric, glass, liquid, metal, mirror, miscellaneous paint. So here I'm providing the appearance of enamel paint by just drag and drop on the body. As you can see, this appearance command will give us the real view of the object. By using all these commands, we can create a beautiful dice with a real view. Thank you for watching this video.